Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We're about to embark on an incredible journey building a feature-packed e-commerce web application using the latest tech stack. This isn't just another coding project, it's a gateway to becoming a full-stack developer with skills that are highly in demand. Throughout the series, you'll be delving into .NET 8, Entity Framework 8, Azure Services, Angular, Docker, Kubernetes. So joining me in this journey is an investment in your career. Full stack developers are in high demand, and the skills we'll be honing here are the keys to unlocking opportunities and landing those lucrative job offers. So this is our e-commerce microservice applications, and I just put some starting readme file. So we will have 4 microservices and we have 17 tables. It's a real e-commerce application, meaning whatever we have designed in this database, it's going to be a real-time usage. So few of the entities like payment information, order status, not order status, like the coupon, and a couple of things I'm going to intentionally leave it so you guys can actually put your hands on deck and finish these things for me, and not only for me, for you. So I've split into 4 microservices. These 4 microservices are in real world scenarios so these microservices we are going to use it, and you can see all these things on my screen. And not only that, we need multiple microservices in order for us to use the Docker Compose, Kubernetes, and deploying it into the container based application. So by the end of the series, right, you will also have put your hands on this project and be working with me real time. So whoever likes this to wanted to work with me, I will give you the credit for what you do, and your PR will be accepted and merged and deployed as an application. So come without delay, let's start our journey one by one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!